Hello everyone, let us understand how to submit your financial plan. So I have taken an example of we are submitting case 12. So before proceeding to plan submission, make sure your PDF document and Excel working is in place, and you will get only one chance to upload the same. The prerequisites of plan submission are to complete few things on your LMS portal. Now, since it has been completed on this portal, it is not visible on the current part. So I'll go on to the completed section to make you understand what are the prerequisite. Starting with the very first, FPSB Integrated Financial Planning course material. The finals book are to be completed to 100%. Either you go through every section properly, or for as of now you can just scroll down to all the material and make it 100%. Once this is done, only then you will be able to go on to the financial plan guide and sample case study. So again, you have to select this and complete the whole material to 100%. Once both of these things are done, you can move on to the preparation FPSB CFP exam, which are basically the rules, regulations, and also a sample CFP exam mock paper. After this, again, assessment case study is the last prerequisite which you have to complete. So if all these 4 documents are completed to 100%, only then you will be able to make the payment. Now, first we have to make the payment for the financial plan submission and final exam. Only then you can upload the documents. So here in the search catalog, you have to type FPA, Financial Plan Assessment, and you can click on the search bar. Once you click onto that, they will display you the financial plan part. You can again click on all button if it is not displayed. And once you do this, here you can see register FPN exam CFP. You can add this to your cart. Once you add this to your cart, they will ask you to select certain session. Now, FPSB is giving us multiple options, like you can either give your exam first and then appear for the case study, or either way, whatever it is your decision, you can select that. But here you will have to choose the session in which month you are appearing for exam or in which month you are submitting the case study. So as I said, this is cycle 12. So I register for the financial plan assessment. I click on the view session. Here I can see multiple sessions are there. I am concerned about cycle 12. So I will simply click on this button. So it will add it to my cart. Below this is the exam CFP. I will click on the view session. I'll go down. If I want particularly October month's exam at NSC Center, I will click on whatever location I want to do, or else I'll just simply move on to the next part, which is for the online examination. So this is CFP exam online. So you have to click on this. If not, you have the option of December and so on. So once you are done with this, you can simply submit, and in the cart, you will be able to see secure checkout. You can click on the secure checkout button and make the put your card details. International debit or international credit card is acceptable. No coupon code is available for plan submission or exam booking. So you can simply put your card details here and make the payment. Once you make the payment, after some time, either 1 hour or 2 hour, FPSB will give you access for submission of your financial plan. After this payment, you can see a window open for your plan submission or your uploading your financial plans. So the very first part which you can see is financial plan submission. Launch onto this part. Once you launch it, it will give some rules. 2 documents are to be uploaded, your main financial plan in PDF format and your Excel working of the same plan. Proceed to next. Again, press next for your document submission. Kindly understand this as a warning that you are only given one attempt to upload your files. So keep your files in place and don't re-upload the files. So I'm clicking on the start button. In the very first part, you have to upload your main PDF of financial plan, and below that, in the second part, you have to upload the Excel file. So for example, here I am selecting one of the file, one of the plan. So I have selected the PDF file, and here I am selecting the Excel file. Once done with the uploading part, you can submit your test. This will give you again a small warning. You can proceed using yes. Then it will give you a confirmation of your submission has been accepted. You can press on the next button and then you have to wait for 30 to 45 days for the results of the plan. If you are submitting the plan in a second or third attempt, which I mean by if you have submitted earlier but your plan didn't got approved, you cannot directly submit or make the payment using FPSB. You have to write or you have to get in touch with the FPSB part. They will send you a link for payment and then you can upload onto the FPSB file. So that there are two different cases. For initial financial planning submission, you can use the portal directly. For second time submission or third time submission, you have to get in touch with FPSB team for the payment link. Thank you, everyone.